Hello, let me show you how you can fix this issue when you cannot receive notifications from your Android phone to your Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Pro. So first of all, open Xiaomi app, go to device and select notifications and calls. Open up notifications and be sure that it is actually turned on. And now, as you can see, this function is turned on, notify only when worn. And right here we can find the automatic wear detection. But if you have right here tattoos, in this place when the sensors actually sticks with your skin, or for example you're not wearing this device properly, then I will recommend you to switch this off, because if there's like some kind of the issue with this wear detection, it's not gonna actually send you any notifications. But also, as you can see, it's actually mirroring phone notifications, so I can recommend you to go for the custom one, and here you can select any application that will be able to send you this notifications. And if it is still not working, then be sure that you are not using do not disturb mode on your phone, so be sure that you turn it off. The same with the airplane mode, or for example silent mode. And at the end you can also go into the settings, open apps, go to see all apps, and be sure that you also enable notifications from these apps that you want to get. So let's say that if this notification will be turned off, then you will not receive them on your watch. So you have to actually check any application that you have on your phone one by one. And that's all tips that I can give you about this.